Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to Study with Nadeem. Today we are talking about Republic of Azerbaijan Ministry of Foreign Affairs announced valuable scholarships for international students. This time is bring an amazing scholarship program that is often at different degree level. Azerbaijan Scholarship Program 2021 application have been open for all international students. Get yourself enrolled and many program including preparatory courses, general medicine, residency program, graduate, undergraduate and doctor degree program. These scholarships have been fully funded in Azerbaijan, which does not require IELTS and TOEFL certificate. Ministry of Foreign Affairs Azerbaijan has arranged the scholarship of international students, which is international, so that they can be easily study in Azerbaijan. All candidates will get the opportunity to involve in research work, gain international and classes experience, and build cross culture program. So first of all, we are talking about the instructions given by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Azerbaijan for the scholarships, and then we will be come back to the eligibility criteria, and then we will discuss the required documents for the scholarships, and then we will discuss the application process step by step, how we can apply for the scholarship. So first of all, let's go started. This scholarship of Azerbaijan is fully funded by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Azerbaijan International Development Agency. List of participant host country is Azerbaijan State Agriculture University. This university enrolled in this scholarship. It means that if you are getting this scholarship, you will be enrolled in one of them university here. Degree level offered by preparatory courses, general medicine and residency program, graduate degree program, undergraduate degree program and doctor degree program. Okay, provisional cover by Azerbaijan scholarship is tuition fee, international flight, monthly stipend which is equal to 800 AZN, medical insurance, visa and registration cost will be covered by the Azerbaijan government. What is the eligibility criteria for these scholarships? Eligibility criteria for the scholarships: all candidates belong to the above mentioned country may apply, which is means that many of the developing countries scholarship candidate should be apply for this scholarship. All candidates are instructed to have all academic transcript either applying for preparatory course, general medicine, general degree program, under degree program. And we will be discuss which documents is required for the scholarships. A candidate must be under 25 years for applying for undergraduate in general medicine program. We will be required documents for the scholarships will be completed application form that is much required for the scholarships, because incomplete application form will be considered rejected. Diploma or transcript from Perrier High School to university study, copy of passport, document on general health status, CV will be required for this. Motivation letter, if you don't know what is motivation letter, then Google it. You will be Google will give you a lot of templates and you can provide this. And motivation letter is much important for the scholarship. Proof of English proficiency test for foreign language is IELTS is 5, TOEFL is 40. If you don't have it doesn't matter. Which country is eligible for this scholarship? Where is it? Afghanistan, Albania, Bangladesh, whatever. But I will give you the list of this country in this video description. You can check from there, because this Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh is included in here. Okay, let's go inside. How to apply for this Azerbaijan government scholarship? This is too much important. So this an application form can be downloaded from official website. The official website link I will give you in descriptions. You can check there. All candidates must submit their application form a long document to the respective state entitled of this country, and the state entity would then submit the candidate document to the embassy or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to the Republic of Azerbaijan. The required documents included: a candidate must be application letter of for submission, university along with an interest in this field, diploma and transcript, scan copy of international passport, health certificate, 6 photos which is equal to passport size photos crop, language certificate if available. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter. Copies of other certificate and diploma, CV or resume. Application deadline for this scholarship, which is 28 February 2021. So for more information how you can apply for these scholarships, we can start the application process, right? Okay, this is the official website of Republic of Azerbaijan Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Here we started something which is important for this scholarship, how you can apply for this scholarship. All the information given here, which we will discuss earlier in this video. Here is the application form. When we click it here, then the application forms can be downloaded. Call for application, list of eligible country, all information will be given here. I will give you this link within the video description. You can check in video description right now. Whenever we click on application form, the application form will be open in a PDF form. Just wait for it. Here is it. This is the scholarships form for the citizen of OIC in the name, member, country application form. So whatever you do, personal detail will be here. You can include it whenever you download it. Print this application form and then included your first name, surname, gender, check mark. All the information will be given here. Personal experience you can include it here. When something is not available, for example, if you don't have professional experience, just write NA, not available here, and this is. And when in capital, right click and here we write the A. Okay, knowledge of languages you should include it. All the information will be given. It is too simple. Standard of purpose is much important, because for shortlisting, whenever you are trying to get this scholarship, you will work on statement of purpose. This is too much important. Work on it. Okay, then referees वगैरह and the check for application package. Then whatever you do, whenever you fill the application, you can here we go. We will start with how you can apply. Okay, whenever you fill this application form, whatever is it here, and then you should be the state MPV. An application form can be submit the application along with document to the respective state entity of this country. For example, for Azerbaijan, you can send this document to Azerbaijan embassy. The state entity means the embassy of Azerbaijan would then submit the candidate document to the embassy or the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for the Republic of Azerbaijan. They will call you on a telephone number, and you should leave the professional email of yours. They will contact you there. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.